All right, guys, next up, we got Super Breaks Super Slabs. This is from our eBay auctions on Saturday. You got 1 to 2 buyback cards per box. Chance to pull some big names out of here from all the major sports. So, Dan, you've got last name letter W. Rick M with B, D, E, I, O, F, G, J, M, P, R, S, T, V, Y, and Z. And then Shannon, you've got A, H, K, L, and N. All right, nice one here. We got a Zion sighting. 2019 Hoops Premium Stock. It's the Pulsar Refractor. And it is a PSA 9. So last name letter W. Dan, that is coming to you. It's the only letter that you had. Ended up paying off. So Dan, congratulations, man. We'll get that in the mail to you tomorrow. Appreciate you guys jumping on the Super Slabs. We'll do another of this next Monday night. They'll end on eBay on Saturday.